Notice of probable violation, we refer to it as NOPV. Before you get an NOPV, typically you'll have an inspection by a DOT enforcement officer. Typical things they're going to look for is training records, ensuring all hazmat employees are trained. They're going to look at shipping papers. They'll look at how you're packaging the products, how you're doing a hazard communication, all of that. Once that occurs, then there's what's called an exit briefing. So an exit briefing will list probable violations. And it's important to say probable violations because they're alleged. They're not actual violations at this point. When the inspector's there, a lot of times you can take corrective actions right on the spot. Just be aware that signing that is not admitting to any violations. It's just acknowledging that he has some probable violations. When I was at PHMSA and I was in charge of the enforcement office, my motto was find problems and fix them. It wasn't about trying to issue huge penalties, but it's changing behaviors. And a lot of companies that cooperate, work with the inspector, doing that is going to lower the probability of having a big substantial fine or even criminal penalties. And you typically have 30 days to respond to the NOPV and showing what corrective actions you're going to take, explain why these violations occurred in the first place. A lot of times they'll take into account the size of your business. Small businesses get treated somewhat differently. That just because you get an NOPV, it's not the end of the day. You still have time to respond to that. You have other options for requesting a hearing. You can have an informal hearing. You can appeal to the administrator. You can ask for administrative law judge to be involved. It's important when the inspection occurs to ensure that you document everything that the inspector is asking for, everything that was provided to him. DOT also has authority to issue a warning letter, which doesn't go against your record as having a violation. It's just a warning letter. That's probably one of the best outcomes you could have. Second would be a ticket. So it's a reduced penalty process. Cooperating with the DOT, working with them, providing them any documentation, any data that they're requesting. It's a process. Having the right folks to help you through that process definitely will facilitate the process and reduce the likelihood of significant penalties.